Chad, if we could do our third demonstration here.
You got it, Pat. All right. So here I am. I'm working for Acme Insurance. This is my work queue for today.
Okay.
I can see that there's some things that are in my queue that I should take a look at. There's one very interesting one right at the top you might find interesting.
Okay.
Right? Apparently there's a discount offer inquiry coming in from you to me. So let's take a look at your telemetrics data. Right now,
Okay.
this is, of course, classic transactional
Transactional data, my
right?
policy, okay.
Right, and classic web-based app. But these telemetrics, we're now talking about huge, huge amounts of data. Terabytes is a joke. We're talking about petabytes of telemetrics data across all sorts of customers.
Okay.
And this is an ideal example of where you use Greenplum, right? A leader around structured data analytics using a scale-out, shared nothing model that leverages commodity hardware, right? And we can see...
I'm a good driver, man. I told you I was.
You're green, you're car-friendly, you know.
This is me, baby.
This is you.
Now, can you give me any better quote from this?
Well, let's take a look. So based off of that, the system says, you know what, I can give you a $269 discount. What do you
I'm loving this big data stuff.
Big
This is good.
Saving
you
money, right?
Yeah,
Now,
I love it.
Before we finish up with you, there was another person in here that I need to take care of.
Hey.
Probation review due. Joe, where are you? Joe? I'm a little worried here, but...
Okay, come on.
All right, let's go.
Let's
okay. So let's see here. Wow, $1,896.
Okay.
High-risk habits. Whoa, telemetric device installed. That doesn't sound good.
Let's check it out.
That's a nice car, Joe.
Yeah, I like that.
I don't know whether you got the memo, though. The Hummer, not so fuel efficient.
Yeah.
Great 11 years at EMC.
Yeah,
Thank you, Joe. That's and credit rating A++.
Yeah, lots of money. He doesn't really care. So yeah.
But whoa, failure to stop and speeding. All right.
So let's. Can we do
let's
telemetrics on Joe?
Let's see the telemetrics on Joe.
Yeah.
So we're pulling in the data. You know, again, hundreds of thousands, millions of data points being gathered across billions and billions of telemetric data. And,
okay.
Oof. Joe, Leadfoot, rough driver. I mean. Oh boy.
Yeah.
I'm not looking forward to the next trip out to Hopkinton. Your policy just went up by $758.
I'm glad I am not paying for those high-risk drivers anymore. This is good. I love this, right? Okay.
Now, of course, the thing is sometimes you and I are both engineers, right? So we tend to focus on the numbers, but there's more to life than numbers.
Okay.
Right? So social media, let's take a look at that.
Okay.
So let's take a look at what it finds across YouTube. You're not doing too much on YouTube.
Yeah,
nothing
not driving
there.
much, yeah.
Let's see on Twitter. So lots of, I mean, you're a tweet freak.
Yeah. Anyway.
54 miles per gallon.
Yeah, that was a good trip, right down to my parents in Pennsylvania. That was good.
And Principal Skinner driving the kids to school.
What can I say? I'm a good guy.
All right, so let's see. Does that adjust your policy at all? Yep, there's another $134 saved.
I am loving this big data stuff. Now, can we check Joe's social graph?
Let's take a look at that. So let's see, on YouTube, a lot more videos. Racing My Buddies.
Okay, yeah.
150 miles per hour on the mask.
Oh, I didn't know you could do that, right?
Holy smokes, man. And on Facebook, lots and lots of stuff.
Oh, and hiding
the son-in-law.
Okay.
So let's see. Once again, policy is now up to $3,147. I'm so sorry, Joe.
We want to get rid of those guys as well.
So again, power of big data.
Yeah,
right?
absolutely.
Structured, unstructured, integrated into the traditional database. Now, there was one other thing in my work queue. This customer of the year for possible discounts. Wonder who this could be. $4.3 million.
Let's stop right there.
Look at the boat and the car.
Chad, stop right there, please.